Smart control platform of bridge construction machine. Authorized access ensures secure operations with all procedural data automatically logged for full traceability. Safety checks are prompted before every critical step to mitigate potential risks. With a single click, the machine executes autonomous traveling and formwork adjustment with millimeter precision. Timed starts allow for perfectly synchronized, symmetrical operation of dual units. The guided interface ensures ease of use, while the system provides real-time alerts and expert risk resolution advice. Product advantages. Validated by rigorous testing, its intelligent center of gravity adjustment prevents overturning. By simplifying the anchoring system, we've drastically reduced safety hazards on site. GOWE. Together, go further.